Hello friends, my name is Priyanshi Shukla from class 5th B. Uh, Today my topic is the great Indian leaders and today I am Indra Priyadarshini Nehru. I was born on 19 November 1917. I was the first woman Prime Minister of India. I was studied on the big University of Oxford.
My name is Shweta Durgani from class 5th A. Today I am telling you about Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a great leader of India. She was born on 26 August 1910 in Macedonia. Her faith and trust were very much in God and humanity. She helps poor and needy people and also teaches them. She was a lady known as one woman, one mission. Thank you.
Afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Bhavya Nangwani of class 5th. Today I am here to do a role of Jhansi Ki Rani. Let's start. My father name is Moropant Tambe. My mother name is Bhagirathi Satfre. I pledge to serve Jhansi till the last drop of my blood if defeated and killed on the field of battle. We shall surely earn eternal glory and salvation. I am Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. We women have several forms like mother, daughter, sister, and friends. We must unite in one incarnation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Aishwarya Gupta. I am studying in class 5th B. Today I will do role of Bhagat Singh. Shaheed Bhagat Singh was born on the 28th September 1907 in a Sindhu Jet family in Punjab. He was born in a family that was fully independent in the struggle of Indian independence. Thank you.
I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. You can call me Bapu. Today is my birthday. Come with me.
Start.
You must be the change. You wish we see the world. Keep my country clean. The future depends. What you do today. Make my India plants more trees. First they ignore you, then you laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. Use India hand-lawns. Promise me to be the change, to start today for the future. Stop not till you win. Jai Hind, Mera Bharat Mahan.
Hello all, my name is Tarun Motwani of class 5th B of St. Paul's School, Jinjri, Katni, and today I am going to do the role of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869. His place of birth is Porbandar, Gujarat. His father Karamchand Gandhi was the Diwan of Porbandar state. His mother name was Putlibai. Mahatma Gandhi was known as for his non-violence protest and was a leading figure of freedom movements, whether in India or South Africa. With his efforts, finally, India got freedom from the British rule in 1910. He announced Satyagraha against emigration and registration in neutral South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi's slogan was "Do or Die." Thank you.
My name is Agrima Khare. I study in class 5th B. I represent Madam Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a freedom fighter and a poet. She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. Speech by Sarojini Naidu. Friends, I come to you from many thousand miles away as the ambassador of a very ancient country to the youngest nation in the world. It may surprise you that a country which you often regard as the woman to be its representative and ambassador, but if you read of the whole history of Indian civilization, you will realize that woman has been the very pivot of its culture. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Rahmani from class 5th B. I am going to play role of Jhansi Ki Rani and telling some lines about she. Rani Lakshmibai was Jhansi's known as a great patriot and of the most important freedom fighter during the First War of India in 1857. In childhood, Lakshmi Bai was called Manikarnika, in short Manu, and at early age ago, Manu was get married with Gangadhar Rao, who was the ruler of Jhansi. However, Lakshmi Bai was not going to give up the throne of the Jhansi. As soon the British attacked the fort of Jhansi, they got surprised to see a sword in hand of the queen. She got the last breath and gave us life for the sake of freedom. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Rajnandini Yadav, class 5th. Today I am representing Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13 February 1879. Sarojini Naidu was a Bengali. She was born in Hyderabad to a Portuguese family. Since her young age, she showed expectational skills that made her stand out from the crowd. She had beautiful skills of writing poems. Her writing skills offered her an opportunity to study in two of the best institutions, Girton College, University of Cambridge and King's College of England. It was her family that instilled progressive thoughts and high values in her mind. She grew environment. She was also a politician. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, all teachers and my friends. I am Sarthak Sinha of class 5th B, school St. Paul School, Jinjiri. Today I am going to play the role of the father of our nation. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. After completing my study, I went to South Africa to work as a lawyer. There I faced racial discrimination and slavery. After this incident, I pledged that I stop slavery and discrimination. In 1915, I came back to India with the ideas of Satya and Ahimsa. There I led non-corporation Dandi March and Quit India movement to bring the British flag down and live as an independent country. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sitaram. So we always be in the path of Mahatma Gandhi, Satya, Ahimsa and Swadeshi. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Jai Hind. Hello ma'am, my name is Rekhan Sani. I am studying class 5th B. My school name is St. Paul Ginjari Public School. In the count of Independence Day, today I am going to play role of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a prominent freedom fighter in the independence movement. Bhagat Singh was a national symbol of patriotism and made Sankart rule. He wrote articles for the Kirti Kisan Party magazine. Occasionally, he was commonly called Shaheed Azad Bhagat Singh. He devoted his life to the independence movement. In the age of 13, he is born on 28 September 1907 in the Punjab from the Sikh family. His dad and uncle are also freedom fighters. He was projectly distributed by the Hindu-Muslim rights became an architect after the Muslim. He was charged guilty for killing a British police officer, Azam Bhagat Singh, among his comrades. Bhagat Singh was expired at 23 March 1931. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Hello friends, my name is Ayushi Paroha from class 5th A. Today my topic is Great Indian Leaders. And today I am Indra Priyadarshini Nehru. I was born on 19th November 1917. I was the first woman Prime Minister of India. I was the daughter of first Prime Minister, that is Jawaharlal Nehru and Mamma Kamala Nehru. I was educated from Vishwa Bharati University of Oxford. I got a civil honor Bharat Ratna on 1971. During my tenure as a Prime Minister, India had made a lot of progress in science and technology. I was killed by my own two Sikh bodyguards on 31st October 1984. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sanchika Tripathi of class 5th A. Today I am going to represent a role play on Rani Lakshmi Bai. My nickname is Maniganika, my father name is Maruppan Tambe, my mother name is Bhagirathi. When I was a child, I liked horse riding. At a young age, I got married to the king of Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao, as the name as Rani Lakshmi Bai. After some months, my husband died and British government said that give your Jhansi to us. But I said no, I will not give my Jhansi to anyone. My determination and courage is to experience to many people. I feel proud that I won the first war independence to British. हम लड़ेंगे ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ी का हम जश्न मना सके। बुंदेलों के हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। विजय भव, थैंक यू।
My name is Samburi Dambare, class 5th B, St. Paul School, Jinjri. My role is Savitri Bai Phule. Savitri Bai Phule, India's first female teacher. Savitri Bai Phule was married to Jyotirao Phule. In 1840, at the tender age of 9 years. When women were not able to take education, he taught her read and write. Against the prevailing norms of the society, they established India's first girls' school in Pune in 1848. Throughout her life, Savitribai worked for improving the condition of women in India during British rule, educating and liberating of child widows, campaigning against child marriage and sati pratha. By 1852, the Pule couple has opened 3 schools and were teaching the children as well. She was recognized as the best teacher on November 16, 1852.